Chinki Drawing Arts! Today, we're drawing something warm, glowy, and super sweet! It's a cute candle! Grab your black marker, and let's get started on this fantastic adventure! Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape. Now, at this curve here, great job! You're doing amazing! Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. Take your time, little artist. We're not in a race. There you go! Our outline is ready! Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands and proud heart. It's coloring time! Are you ready to bring your art to life?
Red like apples, blue like sky, green like red color, la la la, so bright, apple pen. Let's make magic once again. Color time, draw with me. Sun
Blue
and
color,
moon and a
like the
buzzing
sky on a
bee.
clear
Dots and
morning.
dashes line by line. Chinky makes it super fine. Draw a fishy in the sea, then a flower or a tree. Color up from toe to top. We won't stop. Flip, flop, pop. Up and down, side to side. Chinky's colors make you smile so wide. Draw your dreams and draw your heart. You're the star of every art.
Wow! Look how cool your drawing looks already!
Hooray! We make art in every way. Chinky's world is bright and fun. Let's keep drawing everyone.
Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun and easy drawings.
You must try this.
Slow and smooth. Green color, like fresh grass on a spring day. Ooh, look at those colors shine! It's looking better than ever! Are you smiling while drawing? I hope so. This is turning out to be so awesome!
Nice.
Let's add a little bit more. Just like that. You're making this look so beautiful. Wow! And you did it! Just look at your drawing. It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful. Just like you. Give yourself a high five. You worked so hard, and it totally shows. Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love, make them smile today, and hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little artists. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep shining. Bye-bye.